Hi there. Today I am back at Stanley Park to give you this week's update on the Liverpool Football Club Anfield Road stand expansion. Mouthful there. Just before we begin, don't forget to check out the live stream that I do every Sunday at 11 AM. We go live in Stanley Park and give you an update there and then, answer any questions, live updates. Check it out every Sunday at 11 AM. But right now, here's our site looking at this moment, and we have got the drone footage that I've just shot will be coming up very soon in this video. Stick around to the end of the video because we do have some big news regarding the old roof, and I will be bringing you that live, hopefully. Stick around in the video and I will tell you about that in the voiceover that we do. So yeah, that's it at the moment, working away. I did actually watch. Someone said that they're behind on the work. Don't know how true that is. You know, if you know anything about that, leave us a comment in the comment section below. Just something I watched on another YouTube channel saying the work's slightly behind, so they're actually working away 24/7. How true that is, I do not know. Right, we're going to get into this video. If you do like this sort of content, you can subscribe to our channel using the subscription button below, and like and share the video, and we'll see you soon. Take care of yourselves. Hopefully we'll see you Sunday on our live stream. So there are some changes that have happened since my last video update, so we will point them out and we will also label them in the video as we go along. Done this shot here so you can see the entire site from the back, so you can see the whole site. So there's been extra cladding added as labelled on the back of the roof. You can see that there, that is really coming along, and hopefully shouldn't be too much longer before that's finished and done. You'll notice here on this particular corner of the stand, they've started taking the scaffolding down, which is exposing the brickwork as labelled there. So you can see the brickwork is a lot more prominent without that scaffolding. Adding cover on top of the new roof is coming along nicely as well. Hopefully again that shouldn't be too much longer before that's completed also. So the old roof, I've heard lots of rumours that we know it's coming down after the Aston Villa game. I've heard a couple of people say now that they are going to start taking it down at midnight this Saturday after the Aston Villa game, which would be the 20th of May, going into the 21st of May. So we will be there. I will be there about 1:30. As you know, this is like a hobby type of thing for me. So I'm in work till 1 o'clock. So I'll be there as soon as I can. And if it is actually happening, we will go live and bring you there and then. You can see, as I've labelled there is more cladding added to the side of the stand, which is closest to the main stand side. That's labelled there, so that is on its way to being completed as well. So that is it for this week's update. I will see you Sunday. Hopefully you can join us on our live stream. So it's 11 AM and that's UK time. So I don't know what time it will be wherever you are. You'll have to check that out. But hopefully we will see you Sunday. Take care and see you very soon.